Trusted Signals is back. And if you guys don't believe me, join the chat, see for yourself. We have members who are making money utilizing our tools hands-free. And they are even using it on FTMO as well. And as you guys can see here, they are in the money. We have a live stream that has been running for the last 3 weeks. And right now in the last 24 hours, we are up $1,000. We have more members that are live printing with their indicator directly to Tradovate, just like this. All right, we have Tradovate that just launched as well for our members in Automated Trader Scale memberships. We have Cheat Code, who's printing profits just like this, $107 live money. All right, and we can keep on going. Results from last night, $500. Most traders are failing because they don't have the right automation in place. Today, we're talking about Trusted Signals, which is going to give you guys the best entries. And if you guys don't believe me, I have an account right here that we started with $9,300 on the live stream. You guys can see right here, it's up to $13,395. And within the last 24 hours, okay, we are up $1,000. Yes, we took a $93 loss. That's part of the game. And today we're talking about giving you guys access for 75% off. Okay, and keep in mind that if you guys get lifetime membership before this week, you guys are also going to get access to Automated Trader, which is going to give you guys the ability to automate every single webhook. We've been doing this since 2019, and I promise you, we are just getting restarted. That's why right now we have a flash sale available for you guys, 75% off. Use code FLASH75 and you guys are going to be able to get access to our monthly membership for literally $24. And as you guys can see here, we're not over risking. We're not like those gurus doing 5 lots, 10 lots and getting these type of profits. We're doing 0.4s, and every single alert that fires is going to get a TP runner. And all of these alerts are firing from the TS Hunter, which is literally going to give you every single thing that you need, including account management, trade management, risk management, profit management, daily risk management. All right, and then it's going to have a bunch of different filters that are going to keep you in the trade longer, exit you out the trade quicker, and essentially do everything, including your risk management and all that good stuff. And then the way it works is that it sends an alert. This is the way the alerts look like. As you guys can see here, this is an alert message that showcases what the actual alert function call is going to send to Automated Trader. And then Automated Trader is the webhook that is taking this and sending it directly to your app. And then it's going to go ahead and execute in your MT5. And when I tell you this thing takes trades in like 1 second, so I know it sounds complicated, but as soon as an alert fires on TradingView, it fires inside your MT5, okay? And as you guys can see here, we're in drawdown, and our strategy, as you guys can see here, 84% win rate. And this is tied directly to our MetaTrader 5. And then we have a bunch of different features that are going to be released for the Automated Trader Scale membership. And as you guys can see here to the left, I'm giving you guys a sneak peek of some of our quant suites, some of our automation suites, our trading suites, our signals nexus. And I actually have a link pinned in the comments that's going to give you guys $1,500 credit towards our lifetime membership. So trust me, and there's only 4 spots for that. As you guys can see here, you guys are in safe hands when it comes to the Trusted Signals and Automated Trader community. A lot more is coming.